Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lartini. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my top 5 lightening lotions and lightening soaps you can grab very affordable in the market to glow your skin, to brighten your skin. Sometimes you have a dull skin, like you use this product that don't work for you, you buy expensive products that don't work for you. But in today's video, don't worry at all, I will share with you some few products that you can grab in the market and use on your skin to feel comfortable in your skin, to look good in your skin, and to look shiny in your skin as well. But then before buying all these products, you have to know your skin type. I always like hammering on skin type, skin type, skin type. Sometimes if you have a sensitive skin, you don't know what to use on your skin. Sometimes if you have a normal skin, you don't know what to use on your skin. Sometimes if you have an oily skin, you don't know what to use on your skin. If you have a combination skin, you don't know what to use on your skin. If you have a dry skin, you don't know what to use on your skin. But if you are able to understand your skin type, to identify your skin type, you know that anytime you go to a cosmetic shop, you will know what to choose for your skin that will work for you. Okay, and moreover, glowing the skin is not about using any strong product or any strong whitening product. You just have to get the right product to use on your skin. So let's divert into it. The first one I have on my list here, when I mention the lotion, I'll mention the soap. My top 5 lightening lotion and my top 5 lightening cake soaps that you can buy in the market and use on the skin. The first lotion and the soap I have on my list here is Effimax lotion and extract white herbal soap. These are two combo that is very good for people who want to lighten the skin, brighten the skin, or glow the skin. Once upon a time, I have this beautiful good friend who got in touch with me because she knows very well that her friend deals in skincare product. So she got in touch with me. She was like, she's always looking down in her skin. She's not glowing anytime she uses a product on the skin. And I asked her, does she even know her skin type? And she said, no, I don't know my skin type. I just go to the vendor and buy anything on my skin. So I invited her home. I checked her skin. Then I recommended Effimax lotion, then extract white herbal soap for her. I gave her how she should use it. So when she went home, she used it for some few weeks, probably 3 weeks to 4 weeks, and she got in touch with me and she was like, hey Lartini, the product is really working for me. Okay, so this is how you are going to use this Effimax lotion and extract white herbal soap. Effimax lotion, it's a lightening lotion and it's formulated with ginseng, it's formulated with carrot, it's formulated with pawpaw, it's formulated with citric acid and other healthy natural ingredients. Okay, and because it contains citric acid and kojic acid, you have to make sure that if you are using it, you use it in the evening. I have been telling people that anytime you want to use a lightening product, don't expose the skin under the sun, because anything that involves citric acid, the kojic acid, and a little bit of hydroquinone does not match with the sun. So always make sure you use it in the night. So you use your Effimax lotion in the night and don't use the lotion on your face. Make sure you use the lotion only on the body. But with the extract white herbal soap, it can be used morning and evening, because it's not something that you are applying throughout the day. It's just something you are using to wash dirt on the skin and sometimes to also exfoliate the skin as well. If you are the type who don't like using a body scrub, just add water to the extract white soap, apply it on the skin and wait for some time, like from 10 minutes to 15 minutes before you go to the bathhouse. Okay, and the soap should be used morning and evening. This extract white clears dark spots on the face, it clears dark spots on the skin as well, it glows the skin, it's naturally brighten and lighten the skin when you use it consistently. Okay, and it clears white dots on the skin. Okay, and with the Effimax lotion, it's very good for lightening the skin, it glows the skin, it's brightening the skin, it also clears dark spots on the skin as well. It has a very nice fragrance. It smells so nice. So if you have a dull skin, you want to lighten your skin, you want to glow your skin, you can grab these two combo: Effimax lotion and extract white herbal soap and use on the skin. So the second product I have on my list here is Kojie Sun lotion and nano soap. This is another two beautiful combo that can help you glow your skin. Kojie Sun lotion is a lightening lotion as well. It brightens the skin very fast and it removes spot on the skin. It's formulated with lightening ingredients. Citric acid is part, kojic acid is part, and argan oil. I cannot really list all the ingredients here. I'll just have to mention some few ones. And the nano soap is also formulated with carrot, pawpaw, kojic acid, fragrant, and other healthy ingredients. This lotion should also be used in the night. If you have a very dry skin, all I have to tell you is to get a very nice oil and mix it with the lotion and use, okay? And don't use it on your face. I have been telling you people, or I've been telling ourselves, that always make sure you get a face cream for the face, okay? And cleanse the face before going to the bathhouse in the evening. So get a facial product for the face. It can be a whole set, maybe a cleanser, a soap, and a cream. I don't like using plenty products on my face. Just 3 products and I'm cool to go: a cleanser, a facial soap, and a face cream. And moreover, my cleanser is always used in the evening. My facial cream is used in the evening, and my facial soap is used morning and evening. Sometimes when I'm stepping out, I just use small Vaseline to nourish the face and step out. Okay, so this lotion will help you glow the skin when you use it at night. Don't use it and expose the skin under the sun. Always protect the skin from the sun. With the nano soap, it removes dark armpits, dark inner thigh, and sometimes it fade off stretch marks. Okay, so you use the nano soap morning and evening. It also removes dirt on the skin as well. You can use it to wash the face, but don't use it direct on the face. You can use it on a face towel to wash the face as well. The third one I have on my list here is Nivea Radiant Vitamin C Lotion and kojic acid soap. This is another two combo that will lighten the skin for you, especially if you are a dark skin person, or if you have a caramel skin and you want to lighten your skin. Just grab this Nivea Radiant Vitamin C Lotion and kojic acid soap. This soap is very good for lightening the skin. It brightens the skin and it glows the skin as well. It clears dark spots on the face and on the skin as well. If you have dark inner thigh, it also brightens those places for you, and it makes the skin very smooth and soft as well. And the Nivea Radiant Vitamin C lotion is also formulated with healthy ingredients. It glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it makes the skin very soft, it makes the skin smooth, and it gives you this kind of radiant skin glow. Okay, it's recommended for normal skin people, oily skin people, dry skin people. In fact, everybody can use it because it's not a product that is strong. Even a sensitive skin can also use it as well. Okay, but then don't use the kojic soap on the face directly. If you have a sensitive face and you use it on the face, you end up feeling burns on the skin. Okay, so these two combo also lighten the skin and it glows the skin as well. So the fourth one I have on my list here is Snapchat Diamond Lotion with Ashanti Vitamin C. This is another two good combination that I can recommend for people who want to lighten their skin. You know, Snapchat is a very good lightening lotion, but take note, because Snapchat is strong, don't use it and expose the skin under the sun. always use it in the evening, or even if you want to use it during the daytime, make sure you are not the type that sells under the sun or that work under the sun. Maybe you are a police officer, you are an army officer, you are always under the sun, directing traffic, talking to people, educating people. If you are that type of person, make sure you use your Snapchat in the night. But if you are the type who works in the office, from the house to your office, from the house to your car, like you don't really work under the sun, you can use it morning and evening to lighten the skin, okay? And the Asante soap is very good. This is one of the best soap I really recommend for my people outside Ghana. If you want to get a very good soap to use on your skin, you can get Asante vitamin C soap to use on your skin. It's formulated with vitamin C ingredient. It has a very nice fragrance. It lightens the skin, it brightens the skin, it glows the skin. And this soap is recommended for everybody. All the type of skin types can use this Asante soap, okay? You can use it morning and evening. You can use it to wash the face, to remove acne on the face or dark spots on the face as well. It's very good for lightening the skin. The fifth one I have on my list here is BB Clear Lotion and Max soap. This is also another two combination that is very good for lightening or brightening the skin. BB Clear Lotion is formulated basically to treat marks on the skin, to clear spots on the skin, to lighten and brighten the skin as well. Here, like the case, the Max soap is also contain a body scrub that helps to remove dirt on the skin, that helps to remove excessive oil on the skin, and it also exfoliates the skin as well. So with these two combo, you can use them to nourish, glow, and lighten your skin as well. So these are my top 5 lightening lotions and lightening soaps that you can grab in the market and use on the skin. All these products that I've mentioned above are very affordable, but then if you want to get the original ones to use on your skin, you can get in touch with Lartini skincare. We can get you the original one and use on your skin, and make sure you don't get the fake ones, especially the Snapchat. If you get a fake one and you use on the skin, it's going to damage the skin for you. So get the original one from us and use on the skin. So beautiful people, my name is Lartini. I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first person to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. All I want, all I want.